Sorry about that, guys. We was rudely interrupted. I don't know why my mother keeps calling me. I'm in the freaking house. I'm not going nowhere. Jeez. But yeah, it's starting to get all clunked up in the street. Alright, guys, I'll be back. Alright, guys, the storm has arrived. It is snowing. It's not that bad right now. It is snowing right now. So, we're supposed to do this all day and all night. I'm in the house. I ain't trying to go nowhere, child. Nowhere. You heard me? But it do feel good out here. It's nice and cool. I'm probably the only idiot that think you feel good out here. But it does. I have such a migraine headache. I woke up with a headache this morning and do not know why. And I took my medicine and it will not go away. But back to the snow. It's snowing. I don't know if you guys can tell. This is the beginning of it because it just started recently. I will be back to show you guys. Alright, guys. This is round 2. Look. Now the street is covered in snow. And the cars are kind of slowing down. Oh, man. These people need to get off the street and go home. Like, goodness. I mean, I know they probably coming from work or going to work, but jeez. It's just coming down. It looks so pretty. I like when it snow all night out here and it falls on the trees because we got all these trees around our house. It looks so freaking pretty. It really does. I know these people probably riding past like, why she got a camera in her hand while she at the door? Because I want to, sucker. Y'all, I still have this headache. This headache is killing me, you guys. It's literally killing me. See if y'all can see the street. See how the street... Alright, guys, I'm back. The road is completely covered now. See the street? Here comes some cars, and they're driving, like, really slow. I guess we're supposed to get like 14 inches of snow. Earlier I was saying I'm cold. It feels good out here. Shit, it's cold now. It's like the temperature dropped or something. So you gotta have a truck to be driving around here. Let's take you guys to the backyard. Let's see the backyard. See, this is the side of the house. Side of the house. Somebody's burning wood. It smells good. Alright, this the backyard. Oh wait. Too close. Alright. This the backyard. That's the trees. And the ground. I love the way the trees look with this. It looks so pretty. With the snow on the trees. My husband has this thing out here. I hope it don't go bad because of the weather. You hear people screaming. Somebody's yelling. Okay, it's cold. I gotta go. It's freezing. The wind's just starting to blow. Somebody's down there screaming. I don't know what they're saying, but see the snow trying to come in. Now somebody's laughing. Make sure I lock this door too. There's another truck. That's what I'm getting me. I'm getting me an SUV. Because Ohio winters are the worst. There's a salt truck. All right, guys, I'll be back. Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is the aftermath of last night. Look at the snow. Look at those icicles. Oh my God, it's freezing out here. So I just want to come out and show you guys. The kids had to clean out their car. I think they cleaned out their cars like 4 times last night. Especially my son, because he has the convertible. The road is looking a little clearer, because, you know, cars has been on it, and hopefully the salt trucks have been on it. So I just wanted to come and show you guys what it looks like, because I'm freezing right now. So just come and show you guys. A lot of snow has fell, a lot. I hear people, oh, they shoveling their driveway. All right, guys.